Okay, this is going to be their low pass.
Flip action here, guys.
They're going to go around again and then actually come in the land. So this is kind of like a practice run here and let you see how the airplanes perform.
Oh, you take it. Number 3 on base.